Today, we are interviewing the founders of TrueMed Diagnostics on the occasion of their 1 year anniversary. We want to know about their vision, their experience, and their future perspectives. We have with us Dr. Sai Madhusree, Dr. David Kiran, and Dr. Aparna. Every successful healthcare organization starts with a vision. What inspired you to start TrueMed Diagnostics?
Health and education are fundamental rights everyone deserves to be accessible to, irrespective of their economic status. With this guiding principle, our mission is to cater healthcare to every individual and thus contribute in a meaningful way back to the society. Though, as radiologists, we might not really be the primary physicians, but we believe in listening to our patients before we actually report and do the scan. As a co-founder of this establishment, we are privileged to cater to the deserving and those who are needy with the help of our consultants who share the same ideology as ours.
What do you believe truly differentiates TrueMed Diagnostics from other diagnostic centers?
At TrueMed, we have packages which are affordable, consultants who are patient-centric and ready to spend time with the patients. And we have a very eye-pleasing ambience which puts the patient in the comfort zone once the patient enters our center.
Artificial intelligence is becoming an important part of healthcare. Where do you see AI creating the greatest impact in diagnostics over the next years?
As of now, we are using AI for center operations, like in routine administrative tasks for faster workflow. To tell you honestly, with the current trends that are going on, AI will not replace the healthcare professionals, but AI will be a very good, powerful partner. In fact, empower us. In that text, the future with AI is going to be fantastic. Continuous health monitoring, even remote access with for diagnostic imaging. With the advent of AI, I think it's going to be really good, and I can't wait for what's going to come next.
What role TrueMed Diagnostics play in promoting early detection and prevention?
TrueMed is actively involved in preventive healthcare in the form of screening camps and awareness podcasts, namely breast cancer awareness podcast and blood donation awareness podcast and yoga podcast, to name a few.
What is your advice for patients?
Firstly, please do not hesitate to take second opinion. When it comes to health, you have to be really careful, and do not buy over-the-counter drugs and self-medicate. And another very important thing is you have to invest and keep aside some part of money for good health insurance. You never know when you need it the most. And Gen Z, shout out to you. I know you all are very well informed, but when it comes to health, I think you should visit a real doctor than rely on AI tools to self-diagnose and self-medicate.
What has been the most rewarding part of this journey, both professionally and personally?
Within a week after we started off this, we had a patient referred from a government hospital, and they couldn't afford it at other centers, but we gave a discount. We went ahead with the scan, and that scan turned out to be the game changer for her to treat the patient further, and she had been taken up for an emergency C-section to save the baby. And they came back after 10 days acknowledging our help, and that was the most satisfying moment, because that is what our ideology is. And yeah, it's such a soul satisfying thing that I had. So in fact, one of our consultants, we are privileged to have a female orthopedician, Dr. Srivani, and one patient has come for an opinion, and she was reassured that she doesn't need a surgery. And they were so happy, and they left a thank you message saying that, like, you gave me the confidence so that surgery is avoided. And yeah, so we are happy that we have consultants who share the same ideology as ours and who are patient-centric.
Thank you for taking out time to share your journey with me today. We wish TrueMed Diagnostics a huge success as they impact more lives in the years ahead, because they're not just building a diagnostic center, but they are building trust. They are building quality healthcare more accessible and staying committed to patients every single day. For all those who stayed tuned in, stay informed, stay healthy, take care. Thank you.